26th of October 2022. We have Taimistontie, but we have to check that name in Swedish later. Building 11's techies say this next B would also be important to film later. Because this is a Sele elevator. Generic but interesting. The capacity is 4 plus 13 backgrounds. It's just 1997 on the door there.
Yeah.
Well, this was finished in 1998. This is on the turn of the year 1997, 98. Now, the serial number is 3103 It's going to be inspected, or should have been inspected in the last year, 2021, delayed.
Yeah.
Turning 25 years old in the next year, 2023. Love the sounds in here.
Yeah.
Sinne Pitäjänmäki, synken matka. In Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaan ja Finland. I like the smell of it.
No, same.
Distraction.
Niissä tittää kiva isputtaa, maintained by pohjamiehistekniikka.
Oh, interesting. Is that buttons?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, run at 98. I like the braking sound.
Yeah, same, yeah.
There's a door open sign to open it. Sele was Italian, right?
Yeah.
See the Sele was I haven't seen that on a Sele. As far as I can remember.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's